All right, guys, got a 1998 Suzuki Jimney, right-hand drive too. I'll show you guys in a second, but it was imported from Japan, and he did a motor swap. And we redid some of the flanges and stuff for him, but I wanted to show you guys. It's very small. Anyways, so he swapped the motor, and then the flange up there wouldn't fit, so we had to find a new 3-volt flange for him and connect it. Rewelded it down at the bottom, factory cat, and then the rest of the factory system all the way out the back right there. There it is. So I'll let you guys hear it. Like I said, I'm in a stock, but it'd be a cool video for you guys to see. But yeah, I'll let you guys hear it in a second. I'll show you inside and everything. Like, comment, and subscribe. There's also a manual. Yeah, right-hand drive. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. 1998 Suzuki Jimney. Factory. I was gonna say 80. I'd be surprised if it hit anything higher than 85. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Show you the inside too. A 1998 Suzuki Jimney.